share with your friends. I love having you guys here. Oh, look, I got it. Yay! Okay, we'll get rid of that mess for now. So what I'm going to do is untangle this, because some of these are looped over. This is perfect. This is exactly the amount I wanted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's like 6. Well, there's 4 big ones and then 3 little ones, which is super cute. So I'm going to wrap this around and tie it, and then I'm going to trim the raffia so that it's obviously not hanging off the table. And I want this to be the... Wait, hold on. I got to find the front. I want the red sunflower to be the front. There we go. So I'll just tie it and then make a bow. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. What? This is so cute, you guys. I think I'm going to make a full knot because this is it right now. Just crisscross applesauce. I think I'm going to, whoops, make a full knot and then tie the bow because I don't want it to be all lopsided. And I never put ribbons in my daughter's hair. I put beads and rubber bands and stuff, but I never put, I don't think I ever put bows in Sadie's hair. She'd have to let me know if she recalls that. Okay, this is so cute. Look, it covers up the stems perfectly. You can't see the stems. So let's figure out which way is the best way. This way is the best way. I'm just going to make a loop, go around and through the hole, the rabbit hole, grabbing on with my right hand and tying it. And then I'm going, so this is what it looks like. That's not pretty, so we have to adjust it. Don't expect it to be pretty when you first start. Craft projects rarely, unless you're the posh paper lady, which I'm telling you, you guys have to check her out. She's incredible, but I don't paper craft very much. I just do like my paper pumpkin, but she has me to the point where I'm like, maybe I could do this. She's really, really good. Why isn't this tightening properly? I just want a cute little bow. Even, okay, I got it. Okay, look, I have an even bow. So I'm just going to cut the raffia so that it's not too long. Oh, it's adorable. I'm going to save this. I don't know what I'll need it for. How cute is this for my aunt for some fall decoration? Oh, I put the, let me turn the bow. It's not in front of the sunflower like I wanted. There we go. There we go. I got it. I did it, you guys. There's the red sunflower. There's the bow. So this is what it looks like. All the way around. And you can't see the stems. They're hidden by the raffia, just like I wanted. And then now my hot glue gun is definitely hot enough that we can... Oh, double-sided sticky tape? Come on. No, now I'm going to lose this whole piece of ribbon. No, I'm not. I'm just going to fold it over. Don't be a crybaby, Jenny. Okay, so this part does not have wire in it, so I'm going to trim this part off. There we go. So I'm going to fold... Ooh, there is a wire. I don't want my dog to get a hold of this. I'm sorry, I just disappeared. So I'm going to fold this about 6 inches or so, and the sticky tape is right here. And I'll fold this here, stick it on there, because I couldn't pull it off. And here, and I'm going to cut a little over, like 3/4 of the way through. I always pick up my scissors backwards and my thumb gets stuck. So what I'm going to do next is get another piece, fold it in half, and wrap it around so I have a bow, because I've seen people do this and it doesn't look too hard. I should be able to pull this off. I could even, no. Okay. See, my brain just keeps going and going. So we're gonna fold this in half, and I'm not in half, or fold it to the half mark. It's so 1/3, and fold the other half in 1/3. I'm going to hot glue the ends so they stay together. Ooh, way too much glue right there. Yikes. That was warm. Right through the ribbon. All right. And it's cute because it has orange on it. So we want the middle up and the outside edges up on the bow. Like this. And then I'm going to wrap this around the center. I think I cut this way too long. Holy smokes. Yes, this is going to go around several times. So, without wasting ribbon, let's start down here. And we'll go up and over. And then we'll fluff the bow. So let's glue it in place in the back. I just got glue all over my thumb. Man, every time. I really would like to use my hot glue gun without gluing myself. Okay, so I'm scrunching it in a little bit. Luckily it's a wired ribbon, so it's gonna look cute. And here's the happy birthday box. And I'm gonna glue this onto the front, because here it says happy birthday to you, and I think if I put it right there it'll be super cute. So I'm just going to hold this until the glue cools down, and when it cools it hardens and it works great. It's the Gorilla Glue Sticks. I get them online on Amazon. I keep bumping the table. I'm so sorry. If anybody wants to buy a twin bed, I have one for $100 so I can get it out of my craft room. It includes the frame, the box spring, and the mattress. There's no room for it in our one-car garage, so I need to get rid of it out of my craft room so I can really craft in there and start filming in there, and then you guys don't have to look at my TV or my bookcases or whatever. My dog will be in there with me for sure. Okay, that's so super cute. So Aunt Carol's gifts are ready to go. I'm not going to glue the pumpkin to the top of the box but this really looks adorable. Okay, you guys, that is that for this video. I will see you soon Please like, subscribe, leave me a comment. I love conversating with you. And take care. God bless. And rejoice in the day God gave you. I'll see you soon.